Group 4 Assistant Grade 3 Stenotypist Stenographer and Other Post Combined Recruitment Test 2023. What population of India is engaged in agricultural activities? 2 by 3. In which of the following journeys will a person have to cross the Tropic of Cancer? Bhopal to Sachi. Sania Mirza has announced her retirement recently. She is related to which sport? Tennis. Who entered the Gupta Empire during the reign of Kumar Gupta? Hund. Which of the following forest is not situated in Tamil Nadu? Bandhavgarh National Park. What is a celestial body that revolves around a planet in the same way that the planet revolves around the sun? Satellite. Which of the following tournament does the team Dabang Mumbai play in? Hockey India League. Chanakya was the chief advisor of which ruler? Chandragupta Maurya. How many times was the preamble of the constitution amended? Once. Which of the following element is used in the process of galvanization? Zinc. Which organization recognizes outstanding contributions in the field of mathematics with the Field Medal? International Mathematical Union. Which among the following is not a bulwark of the Constitution? Attorney General of India. The resolution on fundamental right and national economic program was enacted in which Congress session? Karachi session 1931. Which of the following details are not required to transfer fund through NEFT? Consumer ID. Which of the following was a major port city during medieval India known for its trade with Southeast Asia and China? Calicut. What was India's rank in the RSF 2022 World Press Freedom Ranking? 150. Which of the following cities of Madhya Pradesh is known as City of Royals? Bhopal. In the following questions, 4 words are given, out of which only one word is correctly spelled. Find the correctly spelled word. Consistentious. In the following question, a sentence has been given in indirect speech. Out of the 4 alternatives suggested, select the one which best expresses the same sentence in indirect speech. He is trying his best to collect the money he needs, said the girl. The girl said that he was trying his best to collect the money he needed. In the sentence, identify the segment which contains the grammatical error. She was pleased at see them and gave them a grand welcome at see them. Select the most appropriate option to fill in the blank. He believed that he had struck terror in his children's hearts because of his rage. In the following question, a sentence has been given in indirect speech. Out of the 4 alternatives suggested, select the one which best expresses the same sentence in indirect speech. I said that politics still interested me, but I avoid discussing it. I said that politics still interested me, but I avoided discussing it. In the following question, out of the 4 alternatives, choose the one which can be substituted for the given word sentence. One that cannot be erased. Indelible. In the following question, a sentence has been given in active passive voice. Out of the 4 alternatives suggested, select the one which best expresses the same sentence in passive active voice. He rang the temple bell loudly. The temple bell was rung loudly by him. In the following question given below, a sentence is provided with two blanks. Choose the correct combination of words that fit into the corresponding blanks. Dash for test on the immunizer developed in India will serve to the efficacy, safety, and consistency between vaccine batches. Approval for test on the immunizer developed in India will serve to assess the efficacy, safety, and consistency between vaccine batches. Select the most appropriate synonym of the given word. Delighted, joyful. In the below question, there are 5 sentences paragraph. The sentence paragraph labeled A is in its correct place. The 4 that follows are labeled B, C, D, E and need to be arranged in the logical order to form a coherent paragraph passage from the given options. Choose the most appropriate option. I had 6,000 acres of land and had thus got much spare land besides the coffee plantation. Part of the farm was native forest and about 1,000 acres were squatters' land, what the Kikuyu called their sambas. The squatters' land was most intensely alive then, the rest of the farm, and was changing with the seasons. The year round, the maize grew up higher than your head as you walked on the narrow, hard, trampled footpaths in between the tall green rustling regiments. The squatters are natives who, with their families, hold a few acres on a white man's farm and in return have to work for him a certain number of days in the year. My squatters, I think, saw the relationship in a different light, for many of them were born on the farm and their fathers before them, and they were likely regarded me as a sort of superior squatter on their estates. The Kikuyu also grew the sweet potatoes that have a vine-like leaf and spread over the ground like a dense intelligent mat, and many varieties of big yellow and green speckled pumpkins. The beans ripened in the field were gathered and threshed by the women, and the maize stalks and coffee pods were collected and burned, so that in certain seasons thin blue columns of smoke rose here and there all over the farm. CBED is the sequence. In the following question, one part of the sentence may or may not have an error. Find out which part of the sentence has an error and select appropriate option. If the sentence is free from error, select no error. Articulating your reservations about a proposal is the working of acquainting yourself with your own thoughts. Answer no error. Select the correct synonym of the given word. Flagrant, blatant. Find the most appropriate option for the given blank space which can make the given sentence grammatically and contextually correct. The children are always dash when they get home from school. Hungry. The children are always hungry when they get home from school. Identify the segment in the sentence which contains the grammatical error from the given sentence. Once the wettest place on earth, Cherrapunji, a town in northeastern India, has faced a drought each winter for the past few years. Has faced a drought each winter. Identify the segment in the sentence which contains the grammatical error from the given options. It's normal to be scary during an earthquake, which can rock the ground like a boat in rough water. It's normal to be scary. Select the most appropriate meaning of the given idiom. Get one's nerves to irritate. In the following question, a sentence is given in direct and indirect speech. Out of the 4 alternatives, choose the one which best expresses the same sentence in indirect direct speech. He said, "Help, help." He shouted for help. What type of input device does video game use? Joystick. Who out of the following introduced the concept of stored program computers, which was capable of storing data as well as programs in the memory? John von Neumann. BASIC is a computer language. What is its full form? Beginner's All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. Which of the following operating system doesn't have a firm owning and license it? Unix. What is the purpose of BIOS shadow? Copying ROM to RAM. What is the purpose of data loss prevention DLP software in computer security? To prevent the loss of theft of sensitive information. Which modern technology is used by the majority of grocery retailers to enter the product code? Scanning devices. In which of the following services do users need to log into a server computer remotely and then to log out again when the user finishes accessing information on the server computer? FTP, File Transfer Protocol. Which technique is used to hide the information in a picture? Stereography. Which of the following is not an example of hardware? Monitor, scanner, printer, interpreter. Interpreter translates in by line, and compiler completely translates in a one go. Which one of the following is a text function in MS Excel? MID function. Mid function. Which of the following is an output device? Printer and monitor both. Which of the following statement about ICMP Internet Control Message Protocol might be true? A redirect message is used when a router notices that a packet seems to have been routed wrongly. Which is the menu to create a text box on a slide? Insert text box. निम्नलिखित शब्द समूहों में से कौन सा विकल्प रूढ़ शब्दों का सही उदाहरण है? तब, कल, पर। निम्नलिखित प्रश्न में 5 कथन दिए गए हैं। इन्हें इस तरह क्रमबद्ध कीजिए कि उनसे एक अर्थपूर्ण परिच्छेद बन जाए। फिर उसके बाद दिए गए विकल्पों में से सही विकल्प का चयन कीजिए। किसी भी भाषा के शब्द व्यवहार पर ध्यान देने से ही लिंग का ज्ञान हो जाता है। आंसर ABDCE। किसी भी भाषा के शब्द व्यवहार पर ध्यान देने से ही लिंग का ज्ञान हो जाता है। हिंदी भाषा में सृष्टि के समस्त पदार्थों को 2 ही लिंग में विभक्त किया गया है, अतः सजीव शब्दों का लिंग निर्धारण सरलता से हो जाता है, लेकिन निर्जीव शब्दों का लिंग निर्धारण करना कठिन होता है। निम्नलिखित में से शब्द युग अर्थ के सही अर्थ भेद का चयन कीजिए। मतलब, धन, मतलब। निम्नलिखित में से कर्त वाच्य का वाक्य बताइए। राम ने लंका का राज्य विभीषण को दे दिया। जहाँ पर अल्प विराम के प्रयोग में भ्रांति होने की संभावना हो, वहाँ पर निम्न में से किस विराम चिन्ह का प्रयोग अनिवार्य हो जाता है? अर्धविराम चिन्ह। निम्नलिखित में से केवल मोहन ही आ रहा है। वाक्य में प्रयुक्त केवल निपात का प्रकार बताइए। बलदायक। जौओं का एक वचन शब्द निम्न में से क्या होगा? जऊ। निम्नलिखित में से आडंबर का विलोम शब्द क्या है? सादगी। विस्मयादि बोधक वाक्य ओहो तुम खूब आए का सही विधानवाचक वाक्य निम्न में से क्या होगा? मुझे तुम्हारे आगमन से अपार खुशी है। मुकेश बहुत तेज दौड़ता है, इस वाक्य में विशेषण क्या है? तेज। निम्न में से विस्मयादि बोधक हर्षबोधक अवयवों का चयन कीजिए। आहा, वाह, वाह, वाह। निम्नलिखित में से पुल्लिंग शब्द का चयन कीजिए। पूंजी, संक्रांति, लड़ाई, अपमान, अपमान। निम्नलिखित प्रश्न में 5 कथन दिए गए हैं, इन्हें इस तरह क्रमबद्ध कीजिए कि उनसे एक अर्थपूर्ण परिच्छेद बन जाए, फिर उसके बाद दिए गए विकल्पों में से सही विकल्प का चयन कीजिए। आंसर है, जिस प्रकार अग्नि का धर्म दहकना है, उसी प्रकार मनुष्य का धर्म उसके स्वभाव का पर्याय होना चाहिए। निम्नलिखित में से दुस्साहस शब्द में डैश उपसर्ग है? दुस उपसर्ग है। निम्नलिखित में से कौन सा वाक्य कर्मवाच्य का उदाहरण नहीं है? राज्यों को अनुदान दिया। निम्नलिखित में से आसन्न भूतकाल के सही उदाहरण का चयन कीजिए। मैं आम खा चुका हूँ। निम्नलिखित में से कौन सा शब्द तत्पुरुष समास का सही उदाहरण है? तत्पुरुष में जिसमें कर्ता ने कर्म को करण से विभक्तियाँ लगती हैं। ज्ञान युक्त। सेकेंड पेपर शिफ्ट 2। Who among the following is the currently serving Deputy Secretary to the Finance Ministry of Madhya Pradesh? O.P. Gupta. Who has been awarded Lifetime Achievement Award 2022 by FICCI? Rajendra Pawar. Where has the first mega food park of Central India been inaugurated? Devas. In Madhya Pradesh, the Raja Bhoj Airport is in Bhopal. The Sun River rises in Madhya Pradesh and merges with the Ganga in Bihar. The ruin of Vishnu temple known as the Til monument is located at Pawaya in Madhya Pradesh. Any party can be recognized as a national level political party if it gets 6% of the total valid votes in the election and 4 seats in the Lok Sabha. 2% of total seats in the Lok Sabha has been obtained in at least 3 states. Both 1 and 2 are true. Begum Ruqayya Sakhawat Hussain started schools for Muslim girls in which of the following cities? Calcutta. Which of the following is India's longest highway of India? NH 44. What is a large body of magmatic material that cools deep in the crust and develops in the form of large domes called batholiths? A region that change is a key sign of its economic growth, social advancement, and historical and cultural heritage. Population. The National Development Council was established in accordance with the Planning Commission's suggestions. Increase in the quantity supplied suggests a movement up along the supply curve. Who is the author of the Abyss trilogy? Amitabh Ghosh. In the following, which one is true about the doctrine of territorial nexus? The Indian Constitution's Article 245 serves as the legal foundation for this notion. In which year Bir Singh Dev Mahal of Datia in Madhya Pradesh was built? 1614. Hindustan Republican Association executed the Kakori conspiracy on 9th August 1925, which was the destination station of that train, Lucknow. In the following question, a sentence has been given in direct indirect speech. Out of the four alternatives suggested, select the one which best expresses the same sentence in direct indirect speech. Annie said that she wanted to eat an ice cream. Annie said, I want to eat an ice cream. Select the most appropriate synonym of the given word. Modest, humble. In the following question, a sentence is given in direct indirect speech. Out of the four alternatives, choose the one which best expresses the same sentence in indirect direct speech. The teacher said to the student, do not talk nonsense. The teacher ordered the student not to talk nonsense. In the sentence, identify the segment which contains the grammatical error. The quest to cure cancer has cost hundreds of millions of dollars and have so far resulted in little more than bold predictions and dashed hopes. Have so far. Select the most appropriate antonym of the given word. Evident. Indistinct. Indistinct. Arrange the sentences A, B, C, D to form a logical sequence between sentences 1 and 6. Answer. Not many business leaders could have predicted this development back in 1870. The reason was not so much lack of foresight as lack of precedent. At that time, the only large permanent organization around was the army. Therefore, its command and control model was ideal for men who were ruling banks, stores, and construction, but it was never as static as its longevity might suggest. On the contrary, it began to change almost at once as specialized knowledge poured into enterprise. Select the most appropriate option to substitute the bracket segment in the given sentence. If no substitution is required, select no substitution required. Cameras used in space needs to survived extreme conditions like temperature swings from minus 49 degree to 248 degree Fahrenheit. Need to survive. Select the most appropriate option to substitute the bracket segment in the given sentence. If no substitution is required, select no substitution required. The UN is calling on people everywhere to take concrete steps to beat plastic pollution as its own life. Answer. In their own lives. In the following questions, a sentence is given in direct indirect speech. Out of the four alternatives, choose the one which best expresses the same sentence in indirect direct speech. He said to us, welcome. Answer. He welcomed us. In the given below question, a part of the sentence is bracketed. Below are given alternatives to the bracketed part which may improve the sentence. Choose the correct alternative. In case no improvement is required, choose no improvement option. The Commonwealth remains a great platform for development aid, democratic values and educational opportunities, but its relevance is unlikely to increase unless it adopts a more egalitarian and inclusive attitude. Unless it adopts a more In the question below, a sentence is given with a blank from the options below. Choose the correct idiom that can fit in the blank to make the sentence grammatically and meaningfully correct. The big dog rolled so fiercely that they were scared out of their wits. In the below question, a sentence has been given in active passive voice. Out of the four alternatives suggested, Select the one which best expresses the same sentence in passive active voice. The presents were unwrapped by Monty as quickly as possible. Monty unwrapped the presents as quickly as possible. Out of the four alternatives, choose the one which can be substituted for the given word sentences and mark it. One who likes the company of others. Gregarious. Select the most appropriate word to fill in the blank. Methane stays in the atmosphere for less time than carbon. It's highly effective dash trapping heat. It's highly effective at trapping heat. In the following question, select the word which can be substituted for the given phrase. An area of land where fruit trees are grown. Orchid. Orchid. Select the word with the correct spelling. Jauntier. Select the word with the correct spelling. Wardrobe. Which function is used to find the middle number in a range? Median function. A set of instructions for programming that attaches to a file, copies itself and or spreads to other files. Melissa virus. Which symbol is used to specify the fixed columns or rows in the formula? This is S or destructor symbol. Which function is used to add instant animation to the presentation and helps interactive presentation? Action function. 10 subnets of the same size are to be created from the IP network 192.168.50.0. Which of the following aforementioned subnet masks can be applied to the aforementioned requirement? 255.255.0. Dash is the set of rules that define a structured JavaScript. JavaScript syntax. With respect to computer, which of the following is a full form of BPS? Bits per second. Dash from the client computer send a request HTTP request for a page containing the desired data or service. Web browser. Drum scanners use a PMT. What does PMT stand for? Photo multiplier tube. DDL is a computer language. What is its full form? Data definition language. If a computer wants to keep data until it is needed, which option is correct? Memory chips. The processor's heart, which handles a variety of tasks. ALU, arithmetic and logic unit. How many different types of digital computers can also be categorized based on capacity, speed and reliability? 4. What should be used to present only certain slides from our presentation or to create a hyperlink to a group of slides in your presentation? Custom show. Which button provides access to the help menu? Start. Which of the following allows a phone call to be routed over network wires? VoIP. Voice over internet. Determine the option figure which is hidden inside the question figure. This is related to maths.